Good morning, all of you. Now, 2024, that means already we have approached a new year. So, a new year means a new destination, new observation, new aim, new achievement. So, like that way, we will start our English literature. That means today I will discuss with you about the master degree English literature. Okay, so in masters, I think those who have completed English graduation degree, they all know that there are 8 subjects, 8 parts. Okay, in honors. Like the same way, you have to read 8 parts in English literature in master degree. So in the English literature, which part will be there? That 8 papers. That means 8 part means 8 paper will be there. So today we will discuss about the first paper of English literature. So what is in the first paper of English literature? There will be the poetry section. So there are so many sections, so many paper. So today we will discuss only first paper, poetry paper. So from poetry paper, all of you know poetry means that is some type of poem, that is some type of sonnet, that is some type of lyrics, that is some type of epic. There are various types of poetry in our English literature. But today we will discuss not actually poetry, but today we will discuss about the sonnet. Okay, because you will have the sonnet, Shakespearean sonnet, and there are Shakespearean, Spenserian, all of the sonnets you will have in your syllabus. So in graduation you have already know about the Shakespearean sonnet or about the definition of sonnet, and how many sonnets are in English literature, you know. But today also I will discuss. Now we will have the subject of English literature. In English literature, actually today we will discuss about sonnet. So sonnet means first we will describe about the sonnet. What is sonnet? Sonnet means only 14 lines poem is called sonnet. 14 lines poem. Someone can ask me, sir, only for the poem is called the sonnet, 14 line poem is called sonnet. No, 14 line poems, 14 line lyrics, everything. Okay, everything is called sonnet. But in sonnet, we will have 2 types of sonnets. Okay, one is Petrarchian sonnet and other is Shakespearean sonnet. So there will be some difference in between Petrarchian sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet. So what is the difference between Petrarchian sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet? First, all of the sonnets will be 14 lines, but in Petrarchian sonnet the structure will be 8 lines and 6 lines. That means the first portion will be 8 lines and the second portion will be 6 lines. This is called octave and this is called sestet. Okay, octave and sestet. That means 14 lines poem, that is sonnet also. Now, what is the difference between this sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet? In Shakespearean sonnet, you have to read that 6 plus 6 plus 2, this format. Okay, now in Petrarchian sonnet you have to read 8 lines and 6 lines, that is 14 lines. In Shakespearean sonnet you have to read first 6 lines, then 6 lines, then 2 lines. So these 6 lines, and these 6 lines, first and second 6 lines, we will discuss about the poetry. And these 2 lines is important for the Shakespearean sonnet. These 2 lines is called couplet. Okay, these 2 lines are called couplet. That means in these 2 lines you will get all the synopsis of the poetry, both the whole poetry. Okay, that is the difference between Petrarchian sonnet and Shakespearean sonnet. I think about sonnet you have cleared your knowledge about the sonnet. Now let us discuss the poetry. Which sonnet or which poetry we will discuss today. Now today you will have in your syllabus 130, sonnet number 130 you will have in your syllabus. That is Shakespearean sonnet. Now that is Shakespearean sonnet number 130. Now first we have to know, I think those who are master degree students, they know, I think, that how many sonnets are there in Shakespearean coverage. Okay, so in Shakespearean coverage 1, 2, 1 to 154 sonnets are there. Okay, in Shakespearean writing there are 154 sonnets. So how many sonnets are there? 154 sonnets. In between 154 sonnets, 1 to 127, Shakespeare has written for his male beloved. That means fair friend. In the other name we can see that fair friend. Shakespeare's fair friend. Okay. And 127, 126, sorry, 126 and 127 to 154 is a sonnet which is recognized as the Shakespeare's mistress poem or lady lovers sonnet. Okay, that is fair friend and that is lady lover. Now, in master degree, you will have to do the criticize also. Criticism you have to read, but there will be some confusion. Lady lover, you can ask me, sir, who is fair friend and who is lady lover? Fair friend. Now, this is contradictory. This is contradictory because in Shakespeare writing, we can't able to understand that who is actually his fair friend. Okay, so there are so many names like that way. WH. Okay, like that way. WH we can say WH. In your literature book you can see WH. But who is actually WH? Not the full name. Only WH they have been written. So we don't know who is actually WH. So there are so many names. William Herbert, Earl of Southampton, Earl of Pembroke. There are so many names. We can listen from the literary person. But who is the lady lover? Here is also some contradiction. Who is lady lover? Who is recognized as a lady lover? Lady lover basically, obviously, either his lover or his wife.